The human body. It's a marvel of biological evolution, but now at an installation in Zurich, it's also on display as art. This is the Body Worlds exhibit, said to encourage those who gaze upon these very real preserved corpses to take stock of their own existence. The Body Worlds exhibit dates back all the way to 1995, when it first debuted in Tokyo, now featuring over 200 bodies, each posed differently, from playing cards to sports, one even riding on the remains of a horse, all preserved using a technique called plastination. Developed by the show's curator Angela Whaley's husband Gunther von Hagens way back in the 70s. Each body is donated to the exhibit by still living volunteers from all over the world, and it doesn't sound like they'll be running out of installation pieces anytime soon. According to Whaley, 19,000 people have offered up their remains to be part of the show's growing attractions. So far, they've used 2,500 as part of their exhibits. Here's Whaley to explain the significance of the exhibition.
We have accelerated our lives to an enormous speed. But one thing cannot be accelerated, and that is our body. It has really a very tremendous effect, this acceleration, and this is what the exhibition is trying to explain and make aware, and to help people find or to make them reflect about their own lives and perhaps to think about what is really important to them.